news.
What we are doing in ESOL, reading and writing some math bits and science social studies corner.
And now, the news. I Love to Read Month and after school activities officially kick off this Monday. I Love to Read Month is about diving into books and enjoying them.
Don't forget to record your times and return your reading logs every Monday. Also, after school activities start Monday, check out the bulletin board and the lobby for details.
Here's what's been going on in ESOL.
Okay, boys and girls, I am Mr. McClam, and we're gonna learn about the verb tenses. So who can tell me the three simple tenses? Sanggon.
Past, present, and future.
Excellent job. So who can tell me the perfect tenses? Kevin.
Past perfect, present perfect, future perfect.
Excellent job. So how many tenses we got in English? Deborah? 6. Okay. So who can tell me a past perfect sentence? Past perfect sentence.
I haven't gone to amusement park.
I
Have gone.
It's remember that you have to use in the past perfect. You have to use had and plus participle.
During the summary, I have gone to many places in Disney World.
I had. Excellent job. So who can tell me a present perfect sentence?
I have gone to my house.
I have got. Okay, excellent. And do you will know, just for challenge, future perfect?
For the future perfect, you use the will.
So how are you gonna use it?
Like, I will travel to Orlando this year on December.
Excellent job. And so remember this. The verb tenses. There are 6 verb tenses. And the simple tenses are past, please say that over class.
Past, present, future.
The perfect tenses.
Past perfect, present perfect, future perfect.
Okay, this was all to ESO.
Back to you, Laura. Thank you, ESOLers. In language arts, we have been collecting nouns, verbs, adverbs, and adjectives.
Today, we did a synopsis of a poem we read. Here's a sample.
This is the poem called Snow. 1, 2, 3.
When the flying boat returns to earth at last, I open my eyes and gaze out the round window. What is all the white? I whisper. Where is all the world? The helping man greets me, and there are many lines and questions and pieces of paper. At last I follow him outside. We call that snow, he says. Isn't it beautiful? Do you like the cold? I want to say no. This cold is like claws on my skin. I look around me. The dead grass grows through the unkind blanket of white. Everywhere the snow sparkles with light hard as high sun. I close my eyes. I try out my new English words. How can you live in this place called America? It burns your eyes. The man gives me a fat shirt and soft things like hands. Coat, he says. Gloves. He smiles. You get used to it, Keck. I am a tall boy, like all my people. My arms stick out of the coat like lonely trees. My fingers cannot make the gloves work. I shake my head. I say, this America is hard work. His laughter makes little clouds.
Now we're gonna talk about the synopsis of the book called Snow. Firstly,
Sue and Hyo believes this poem is about a boy who wakes up and sees snow.
But at the same time, Jan thinks the boy imagines a
this, Ellie pictures a boy trying to fit into cold, snowy America.
Lastly, JP imagines the boy getting off a plane and sees the snow. He thinks it's awkward.
Now here's a play to the poem called Snow. Ta-da! Wake up!
Whoa, look at outside. I must go see.
Hello and welcome to America.
Is that a flying boat?
No, that's an airplane.
It's cold here.
I'll go get you a coat in some minutes. Maybe this will fit.
Thank you.
That is called a coat.
Yeah. Who are they?
Oh, there. Snow.
Snow.
I love snow.
Well, back to you, Laura and Giancarlo.
And now wait.
And now here's a quick summary of what we have been learning in math, science, and social studies.
Good morning. We in math have learned about parts of circles. ED it equals chord. B is center. Here's in the middle. AC is diameter. AC right here. And BC radius.
Or it can be AB in addition.
Triangle.
All sides and angles are equilateral. It's called equilateral.
Two equal sides and angles.
Isosceles. Here's an example of the triangle.
Look, this has the equal of centimeter.
And this one has two equal sides and angles. Only two. If it was equal here, it would be an equilateral triangle. Now, back to science.
Allie! Hello. So today we're going to talk about speed. Krista's main idea. To look for the speed of something you need to measure how far it travels in a certain amount of time. Then you divide the distance by the time. Karen's main idea. Object speed is in kilometers per hour. Alejandro's idea. When you refer to the speed of something it travels, you often mean its average speed. Now we're going to social studies.
Hey, we're going to talk a little bit about social studies.
This week we're talking about
Ancient China. The head of the family was the oldest man. Even his mother had to obey him. In ancient China, people had to have big families because farming required many people.
aristocrats gave his sons and grandsons part of the land, but the youngest one got less. Men were respected because they grew the crops.
The four new nouns we learned were mischief, household, fine,
Piety,
Filial piety.
piety, social class.
Now back to you.
Back to you, Lauren, you're calling the studio.
And now, here's a 5 News Magazine Extra.
Hit it.
Bye!